At first we will create the database. And we'll give a name here. Let's create a database. We'll give a name sales analysis, and we will do apply from here, and apply as well, and then finish. Now let's get rid of it, and we got database here. Now in the database we have table, views, shared procedure, and function. It is in this schemas. Now for this table we have to create a table, or we have to import table from Excel sheet. For this one we have to do table data import wizard. Click here, then we'll import. This is sample dataset. Next, and create a table. No need to do anything. If you want to drop this existing table, you can drop it from here. Check this checklist, check out, and then next. Let's wait for some time, and it's next, because here the dataset is very low. It has a very minimum data, so it's imported very quickly. Otherwise we have to wait for quite a long time as well. And we will finish it. Next, finish. Now you have to refresh here to get the table. For that we got the table name sample dataset, and if you click here you will get a column indexes, foreign keys, and triggers. Now we will mainly deal with the columns where it's order ID column has order ID column, custom name, product, quantity, price, and order date. For that we have to go with this. We have to add this one to write the queries or code, and we will start by using select statement. And this query is should be in capital letter to make to improve readability and clarity. Select everything to get all columns from the table. Select everything from the column name sample database. Datasets, and if you click here it will run the program. Here no database selected. Select the detailed database. That means we haven't select any database. That's why here we got the error. Now I will select this, double click this one, and the dark bold on the database. Now if you run it again, it will work. Boom. This is our table where we have column order ID, customer name, product, quantity, price, order date. Now let's do some tasks. We will write the double dash lines, give you a comment which will not run in that output, and I'll write SQL tutorial. Now tutorial number 1 will be tutorial 1. So all the data or the table. How can we show all the data from order ID, order table? We can show it by select order ID from sample dataset. Now it shows only order ID, unique order ID. That's it. And for task number 2, it will be show only product and quantity. Select show only product and quantity. That means what's the product and quantity of the select the column product select product, comma. You have to, whenever you mention more than one column, you have to give a comma to separate different columns, product and quantity. Quantity from the table sample database, sample dataset. Let's run it. Now we got only 2 columns, that's product and quantity. Let's get into tutorial number 3, task number 3. So all orders where product is equal to t-shirt. Now we have to show all the products which is only t-shirts. Then what can we do for that? We can do select product select product select product from the table name sample dataset. Now we have to use a where query. Which filter the product name. Product is equal to product t-shirts. That means it helps to filter the where query helps to filter the product name which is only t-shirts. Now let's get into tutorial number 4. show all the orders quantity greater than 2. That means we have to show all the quantity which is greater than 2 only. Other we can't show, it must not be less than 2 and is equals to 2. Then what can we do for that? We can select quantity, QUANT, select quantity from the table sample dataset. Where? Now we have to filter using where statement. Where quantity is greater than 2. Let's run this query. Boom. Here you can see the quantity which is only greater than 2. It is not equal to 2 and it is not less than 2. That means we will get the quantity from 3. Now let's do the final one. 5, task number 5. So the most expensive order. We have to show the most expensive order. For that we can select order ID, customer name, product, price, from simple dataset. Where you have to use a where query, where price is equal to select max. Price from sample so the most expensive order, for the order we selected, we want to see order ID, customer name, product and its price as well. So what is the maximum price is from here. You can select maximum price from here, and basically this is this select statement is, this query is known as soft queries, where we ran inside the inside is this query. That means this for we at first we selected the maximum price and then it is filtered in this query. So I hope you understand this one. Now let's do some mini projects like online retail sales insights. Here let's give a name, mini project online retail sales insights. Some of the retail sales insights are we want to know the total number of orders. For that we have to run this query, we have to use this query. select count, strict count, everything as total orders from sample database. What it does is this count will count the whole all rows, so we can find out the total orders. It's like it counted all the unique rows, so it's 30 orders it's given. Now total revenue, for total revenue we have to select sum. Revenue is like price into quantity, price into quantity as total revenue from sample dataset. Sorry, I did a spelling mistake here, price. Now let's run it and check it. This is the total revenue generated in the whole table, and yes, select revenue is basically we use the formula from price into quantity to calculate total revenue, and this as is like LAs, we can call it LAs to give the name of the column, like total revenue. We if we don't do this, if we don't give this name, it will appear like sum into quantity. Let's check it again, sum price into quantity. So it's better to give a meaningful name as total revenue. That means the name of the column will be total revenue, which makes sense. Now we'll find the top selling products. Top selling 3 products. Select product. Selling means like how many quantities they sold. They were sold. So we have to write total sum quantity as from sample dataset, group by product, order by total sold. Order by total sold in descending order. Put limit 3. Because we need top 3 ones, so we give a limit of 3. So when we run this limit here, we have to give space here. As total sold 15. Basically this means total quantity of selling products. Like total quantity means we sum all the quantity as total sold. And why we did group by product is like we have to find out how many quantities sold for different product. So it's a differentiating different products, and they will be grouped by the product, and we have to order it by number of sold product in descending order, so that we can get the highest top 3 product. This is the basic queries and insights from sales analysis. Now for next lessons we will learn about how to use join, CTE and Windows function as well, and we will go we will dive deeper into the advanced SQL queries. Thank you for now. See you. Bye bye.